Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you may have encountered when working with Google Sheets. Have you ever tried to use a match formula nested in an index function, only to be met with a frustrating error message, "Did not find value 1 in match evaluation if so"? You're not alone. This error can be particularly vexing, especially if you're confident that your formula is correct. In this video, we'll dive into the possible causes of this error and explore some solutions to help you get your match formula working smoothly. Whether you're a Google Sheets beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to overcome this common hurdle. So, what's going on when we see this error message? To understand the issue, let's break down how the index and match functions work together. The index function returns a value at a specified position in a range or array, while the match function finds the relative position of a value within a range or array. When we nest a match formula inside an index function, we're essentially asking Google Sheets to find the position of a specific value, and then return the corresponding value from another range. Sounds simple enough, right? However, things can get complicated when the match formula doesn't find an exact match. There are a few possible reasons why this might happen. One common culprit is that the value we're searching for might not exist in the range we're searching. This could be due to a typo or incorrect data entry. Another possibility is that the range we're searching contains duplicate values, which can cause the match formula to return an error. To resolve this issue, let's explore some potential solutions. First, double-check your data to ensure that the value you're searching for actually exists in the range. If it doesn't, you might need to adjust your search criteria or correct any errors in your data. Another approach is to use the if function to catch and handle errors returned by the match formula. This can help prevent the error message from propagating and allow your formula to return a default value instead. Finally, if you're working with a large data set, it's possible that the error is due to performance issues. In this case, consider using the index match combination with an array formula or exploring alternative approaches, such as using the filter function. To summarize, the did not find value 1 in match evaluation. Error message can occur when the match formula nested in an index function doesn't find an exact match. To resolve this issue, double-check your data to ensure that the value you're searching for exists in the range. Use the if function to catch and handle errors returned by the match formula. The returns prevents the entry errors returned by the match formula. Consider alternative approaches, such as using array formulas or the filter function. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope this explanation has helped you understand the possible causes of the did not find value 1 in match evaluation error message and provided you with some practical solutions to overcome this issue. If you have any further questions or need additional help, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more Google Sheets tutorials and tips. We'll see you in the next video.